And the next tip for productivity is it's using a sub command. It's not an actual command, but it's a sub command, and it's basically uh, a way to quickly place objects in the middle of 2 points. So for instance, right now I want to move this door over here in the middle of these two walls, right? So I want to place this door on the middle of these two walls. So how do I do that in a productive way? Of course, before, when I didn't know better AutoCAD, I used to, draw a line like so that way I can stretch my objects in the middle of this line, right? But you don't have to do that. That's a waste of time. Let me show you the middle between 2 points option. So let's stretch that, and let's go and stretch this door like so. I'm gonna deselect this block, and once I press enter, of course I want to place in the middle of this. So what I can do is use the M2P, that is the subcommand for middle between 2 points, and then press enter. So here I'm gonna select this point and then this other point to grab my door from the middle point. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repeat the M2P and press enter to place my object in the middle of this wall. So click, and then this other wall, click. And again, you see that your door was placed exactly in the middle of 2 points. Isn't that great? So again, this is a more productive way to move, stretch, or use any command using the middle between 2 points.